Sir, ಇದು 5 ನಂಬರ್ನ ಚಾಳ ನಂಬರ್.
Okay, let me explain you frustum of a cone. This is a new topic for class 10. Since cylinders, cone, hemispheres, or cube, cuboid, sphere, this is a topic which you have learned in class 9 also, but this frustum of a cone is a new topic you're learning for the first time in class 10 only. First, you have to know this frustum very nicely. I could not make example for this. I will explain with this picture only. You can see the picture properly. If you take one cone and if you cut from the middle, you'll get this one, frustum of a cone. In frustum of a cone, you'll get two circles. One will be smaller and one will be larger. Smaller, larger. This is also known as radius. Radius of the smaller circle, radius of the larger circle. Height of the frustum, slant height of the frustum. Frustum of a cone we get from a cone. Cone, if you take one cone and if you cut from the middle, you'll get frustum of a cone. In frustum you get two circles. One we get smaller circle and other one we get larger circles. Then we get height, then we get slant height. We'll learn here 4 formulas. Slant height, CSA, TSA. Oh, we'll get 5 formulas. Surface area of a bucket, volume of frustum. If you see this picture properly, these pictures will be in the form of a bucket also. You will have like this kind of bucket at your home also, which you can see for your proper understanding also. Now I'll explain the formulas. Number 1, slant height. Slant height formula equal to root over h square plus r minus r whole square. You can see which one is the slant height. You have to practice this formula. Slant height equal to root over h square plus r minus r whole square. You can see slant height. Okay, coming to next. CSA frustum. Pi r plus r l square units. CSA is the same thing. You don't find the area of this circle. You don't find the area of this circle. You find area of only the carved part of the vessel. You take any bucket. Don't find the area of the upper circle. You don't find the area of this one. Down circles. You find the area of the only carved part, which will be known as CSA of frustum. The formula is known as pi r plus r l square units. Go to next, TSA frustum. Pi r plus r l plus pi r square plus pi r square. Here TSA frustum means you'll find the area of the carved part. You'll find the area of the smaller circles. You'll find the area of the larger circle. I'll repeat once again. You'll find the area of the carved part. You'll find the area of the smaller circles. You'll find the area of the larger circles. That is known as total surface area of frustums. Carved part plus including area of the smaller circles, area of the larger circles, that is known as total surface area of frustums, which is known as pi r plus rl plus pi r square plus pi r square. Now surface area of bucket, we can write down as bucket also. Surface area of bucket equal to, in bucket if you see properly, upper side is opened, bigger side is opened and the lower side is closed. If you find the area of the carved part and if you find the area of the closed part, if you find the area of the upper part, if you find the area of the carved part and if you find the area of the closed part, that is known as surface area of bucket. The formula is known as pi r plus rl plus pi r square. I hope you can get it. Surface area of bucket equal to, you'll find the area of the carved part plus area of the closed part. Area of the base of the closed part. You'll find the area of the carved part and you'll find the area of the closed part. You'll not find the area of the upper part which is opened. So surface area of bucket equal to pi r plus rl plus pi r square. I hope you can get it. Surface area of bucket. Now volume frustums. The volume means capacity of the vessel. The formula is known as 1 by 3 pi h r square plus rr plus r square. I hope you can get it. Volume means capacity of the vessel. Volume frustum equal to 1 by 3 pi h r square plus rr plus r square. That is the formula of the surface areas and volumes. Thank you.